Hello everyone, I am Rejon. I just found these two sparrow babies on the roadside. Maybe they fell from their nest, or maybe someone broke their nest. That is why I brought those babies with me. You can see that their condition is not so good. They have become very weak, so I decided to hand feed these little babies, otherwise, they cannot survive. Here is my hand feeding solution, and I need a dropper like this. This can easily be found at any medicine or chemist shop. I will feed them in every 2 hours, just like this. And I will keep them in a temperature control box to keep them warm. Otherwise, they cannot survive. That is all for today. Thanks.